you were in the buzzsaw, then you plane shifted it down to the counterclockwise buzzsaw on the right arm. Okay. Now instead of going up over your head like this, you go over your arm. So drop your right arm just to your left, below, above, below, above, below, above. Okay, so same thing. And then go back into the buzzsaw. Now drop your left arm. Okay, now we're going to go below, above, below, above. Okay, now go back into your buzzsaw. Okay, and now we're going to open it up into this inside corkscrew. So it's just this mini corkscrew. Now we're going to turn to the left with it. Okay, so you face me. And now we're going to open the arms while you're doing that. It's chase the sun. So counterclockwise, chase the sun. 4, 3 more, 2 more. Okay, on this last one, sweep up over the top, wrap into the buzzsaw. Okay, now we're going to plane shift it down onto the right arm. So we're in the counterclockwise buzzsaw. Then we're going to go into the corkscrew from here, the inside corkscrew, turning to the left with it. You're going to come around and then face me. Okay, and now open the arms. All the way out, all the way out, all the way out, all the way out. And now come back in, come back in, come back in, come back in.